Oh wow, have you ever seen a cake vending machine? Carlos Bake Shop. It has so many cakes. It says rainbow cake, red velvet cake. What else is it? Confetti cake, carrot cake. It says it again, confetti cake, chocolate fudge cake. And then a rainbow cake again. The vending machine says $10 each. That's Carlos. I remember him. Okay, to the left of it, it has two other vending machines. This one is called Just Bake. So it has the White Castle burgers, jalapeno, cheddar. Let me see. Ooh, stuffed Alfredo. I never had that. I don't know if Carlos owns all these vending machines, but this is very creative. Would you ever, if you had the opportunity, buy anything out of these machines? Let me know.